They follow that storyline, and they sing it all the time. Then when we were growing up as kids, because that's all Mum knew because she was well up with the law, see? Come home from school and all the ladies would be round there at our place. They'd been corroborating all day having a good sing-song. So when we get there, oh yeah, if they're still there, we're going to boil the billy for them, give them a cup of tea. So, that hasn't been broken. We've heard it from our mother. We never met our grandmothers. Then we seen it from Mum. And then when we were kids, we used to go, we could watch certain corroborees, we can join in. We go to the corroborees, and other corroborees we can't. Only certain one you could see. But our brother, Johnny, used to be the worst one. When it's all under the blanket, he's there always trying to peep. So some elder is always standing there and either tap him on the head and keep your head down.